In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and TradingView. By the end, you'll be able to find the official TradingView site via Google, open the gold versus US dollar chart, and connect to Gate directly from TradingView's trading panel. Start by opening your web browser and searching for TradingView on Google. From the results, choose the official TradingView website. A quick tip here. Always make sure you're on the genuine site before you proceed. The official page loads quickly and clearly shows charts and a prominent search field. Once you're on TradingView, look for the main search box near the top of the page. This search helps you find symbols, markets, and instruments. Type gold versus US dollar, which is commonly shown as XAUUSD, and select that result. This will open the gold chart against the US dollar, a popular market that's great for demonstration because it's actively traded and widely followed. With the chart open, locate the Trade button on the interface. Clicking Trade opens TradingView's trading panel, which is where you can connect a supported broker or exchange and route orders directly from the chart. If your layout looks a little different, don't worry. The button may be at the bottom or right side, but it's labeled clearly. Inside the trading panel, look for the small search icon. This search is different from the main symbol search on the chart. It specifically helps you find a broker or exchange integration. If you accidentally click the chart search again, just close it and return to the panel. In the trading panel's search, type Gate. This filters the available connections and brings up Gate. When you see Gate listed, click it to select that connection. TradingView will then allow you to proceed with the link process. Next, click Connect. This begins a secure authorization so TradingView can communicate with your account through Gate. Follow any on-screen prompts that appear in the pop-up window. Always verify you're on a secure connection before approving access, and never share your credentials in chats or untrusted forms. If a permissions window appears, review it and continue. That's it. You used Google to reach TradingView, opened the gold versus US dollar chart, accessed the trade panel, searched for Gate, and connected. Before placing any orders, double-check you're on the correct instrument and time frame, and consider practicing with a demo environment if it's available to you. If something doesn't appear exactly as shown, refresh the page and confirm you're logged in on TradingView. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you need a quick refresher.